So this is part 2 of our Getting the Most Out of Your Therapy sessions. Just as a bit of a recap with our first point, just saying that it's really important that you understand your exercises and the activities that the therapist gives you for you to follow up during the week. So you have your exercises or activities, but what do you do with them? How actually do you practice? Regardless of what area we're working on, really basically we're coming down to either changing or developing a behavioural pattern or a neural pathway. So the only way to do this is repetition, repetition, repetition. Unfortunately, there's no shortcuts. So the best way to practice is actually to do short practice sessions, but do these a number of times during the day if possible. It's way better than sitting down doing a really long practice session but only doing it here or there during the week. The other thing is consistency. So having your regular therapy sessions as well as your regular practice each day, that the combination of these two, you're going to get your progress or find that you will progress a lot more rapidly in doing it this way. Just on a side note, sometimes you might consider that the activities are quite simple. Actually, they may even be too simple. There's a reason for this, and it's done on purpose, because the goal is that we want you to reinforce and practice these exercises and activities as much as possible. So having exercises that are way too complex or even just giving you way too much to do, it's not going to work and you're not going to be able to do that. The other consideration that we have in our minds always is we know that everyone has a very busy life these days, so we try to fit in the activities and exercise as much as possible into your normal daily life. And especially, with the children, with them doing their speech therapy exercises in their home and in their daily activities, it's going to be far more effective than doing it separately. So that's my second point about practicing, and there is one more to go. So again, give us any questions or feedback through our Facebook or our website, sunshinecoastspeechtherapy.com.au, and we'll look forward to the next one.